Okay friends, today I'm gonna show you how to make origami, but if you don't know anything about origami, you can comment me down below that you don't know about origami, and then I'll make an separate video about what is origami. Then first of all, you need to take a rectangle paper and fold that into half and fold the side from into that half crease and turn them on and off. Then fold by the crease, and if you look at a paper side, you can easily fold them inside the triangle shaped paper fold or the outside the paper fold. But if you had any knife or any scissors near you, you can cut them. But if you are little 5-year-old boy, then you can take help from your father or mother or your big brother or sister to cut that off, because scissors are sharp and they are not safe for you. Or you can fold them inside. Now open it and you need to fold it again what it was at back there. Now fold the side edges to the inside like this. Now fold the sides precisely, maintaining all the things inside. And if you mistake in any step, your bird not will look what it can do. And sorry for the noises on my video. Fold that triangle into another triangle to make an center crease. Do that on the other side. Fold the triangle and make another crease inside. Now you need to open it. Open. Now take the top and bring it down at the middle crease and fold it. Now you can see your bird is taking a little shape of bird. Fold that properly, and now your bird is okay. Fold. Now you have learned how to fold it inside. Do that on the other side. Now take the inside fold and bring it inside. Not the inside fold, the outside top into inside. Now that is how it looks. Do that on the other side and your bird's wing and tail will take its place. Okay, now the things are going to be little fast. You need to fold that wing both sides and take the edges and swing with my finger that little edge at there. Fold your wing like that. And this will make your wing a little bit gorgeous. Not gorgeous, but a little like wing of bird, and it will give us so much place for your tail. Sorry for the camera disturbance and there. Now you see. Now fold the tail from the inside to the outside. As you can see, the left and right lines I am folding at there like that, and your tail will be at the outside. Now come back to the wings. You need to fold them. You can fold them in three ways. At the end, a little bit far or so much far, but in the medium is best to give your wing. Follow that step on the other side and make your both wings precise and same sizes. Now fold that little at the edge to turn and give it a little bit curve at that side to make it little bone looking, not as hard and sharp it's looking. Now you need to turn the head just a little bit forward. You can like this. It will give a little head to your bird. And for the tail, you can also give the wing a little bit curve at there, and also at here. It will give it a little bit more consistency to your bird. And for the tail, you can fold it inside like that to give it a sharp, or outside, but better as it looks right now. That is how you can make an origami bird. And make